Hi student, this is Sivakumar, a 10th standard mathematics chapter number 7, continuation of exercise 7.2, now problem number 8. A solid sphere and a solid hemisphere have equal total surface area. That is, a total surface area of a sphere and hemisphere are equal. Prove that ratio of their volume is 3 root 3 is to 4. So this is the condition given. Let it be equation number 1. Proof. Equation 1 implies TSA sphere, TSA surface area, curved surface area, sphere and all same only, formula 4 pi r square. Total surface of the hemisphere, that is equal to formula 3 pi r square. Here total surface area only given, a radius may be different, so that you have to consider as r1 and r2. So 4 pi r1 square, that is equal to 3 pi r2 square. Here I write, let r1 r2 be the radii of solid sphere and solid hemisphere respectively. Okay. Now you can cancel that 3 pi. Sorry, pi alone you can cancel. Pi get cancelled. Therefore, 4 r1 square equals 3 r2 square. 4 r1 square, that is equal to 3 r2 square. 4 r1 square, that is equal to 3 r2 square, which implies r1 square, that is equal to 3 r2 square divided by 4. 4 comes to the denominator. Taking square root on both sides. If you take square root, r1 square root, that is r1. 3 square root is root 3. r2 square root is square and square root get cancelled, r2. 4 square root is 2. So r1, that is equal to root 3 by 2 into r2. Okay. Now we have to find out that ratio of their volume. Therefore, volume of solid sphere divided by volume of solid hemisphere. This is V1, this one is V2. That is equal to volume of a sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r1. r1 is the radius of the solid sphere. Volume of the solid hemisphere formula 2 by 3 pi r2 cube, because r2 is the radius for hemisphere. Okay. Now we can simplify. Pi get cancelled, even 3 get cancelled, 2 table 2 times. So that is equal to 2 r1 cube divided by r2 cube. That is equal to, I consider this is number 2, equation number 2. So r1 can be replaced by root 3 by 2 r2. So 2 into r1, that is equal to root 3 by 2 r2 whole cube. It is taken from which equation? First equation. Okay. Divided by r2 cube as it is. That is equal to 2 into root 3 cube means root 3 into root 3 into root 3 divided by 2 cube. We can directly write 8. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 r2 cube divided by r2 cube. Now we can cancel r2 cube. r2 cube get cancelled. 2 table 4 times. That is equal to, you know that root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3 into root 3 divided by 4, which implies V1 by V2, that is equal to 3 root 3 by 4. Therefore, we can write them in ratio V1 is to V2, that is equal to 3 root 3 is to 4. So you are asked to prove that V1 is to V2 that is equal to 3 root 3 is to 4. We have proved. That's all. Problem number 8 is completed. Now I will be teaching problem number 9 in the next video. Thank you, children.